Hello and welcome. I am Jeti Soba. In this video, we will discuss an important topic in structure and geology with focus on practical methods. Let us begin. In this lecture, we will solve a very common and very important problem in structure and geology, that is determining the angle between two lines using a stereographic projection. To illustrate this problem, we are given two linear features. Line 1 plunges at 23 degrees towards north, 76 degrees west. Line 2 plunges at 13 degrees towards south, 4 degrees east. Before we start plotting, let us recall one basic rule. A line is always plotted using its trend and its plunge. Therefore, our task is to correctly locate these two lines on the Stereonet. To begin with, place the Stereonet on a flat surface. Now, spread a tracing paper or a transparent overlay over the net and pin it at the center so that it can rotate freely. Using the net visible through the overlay, draw the primitive circle and mark the coordinate directions north, south, east, and west. First, let us plot line 1. The trend is north 76 degrees west and the plunge is 23 degrees. From the north direction, move 76 degrees towards the west and mark this point on the primitive circle. Next, rotate the overlay until this marked trend lies along the east-west line. From this position, measure 23 degrees inward from the primitive circle along the east-west line and mark the point. This point represents line 1 on the Stereonet. Next, let us plot line 2. The trend is south 4 degrees east and the plunge is 13 degrees. From the south direction, count 4 degrees towards the east and mark this point on the primitive circle. Again, rotate the overlay so that this trend lies along the east-west line of the net. Now, measure 13 degrees inward from the primitive circle along the east-west line and mark the point. This point represents line 2. Now comes the most important conceptual step, the angle between two lines. The angle between two lines is measured along a great circle that passes through both line points. Rotate the overlay until the points representing line 1 and line 2 lie on a single great circle. This is the position. Once this position is achieved, draw or trace that great circle. Now, measure the angular distance along the great circle between the two line points. The measured angular separation is approximately 100 degrees. Therefore, the angle between line 1 and line 2 is approximately 100 degrees. This value represents the true angle between the two lines in three-dimensional space. This ends of today's lecture. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more structural geology lectures. Thank you for watching.